Hapo ndiko tutaenda pia.
Ona thengia wa Kenya igie guthii na mbere gutetia mwathanire wa President William Ruto, uthuthuria uronania mbica ina ngurani, gicunji kinene gikinyitirira niwe ukahotana githurano kinene kia 2027. Uthuthuria uria wikitwo ni kambuni ya Uthuthuria TIFA mweri-ini uyu wa gatano wonanitie unyiti MBARU wa President William Ruto urugameire gicunji kia 24, Kalonzo MUSYOKA karugamira na gicunji gia 19, Fred MATIANGI gicunji gia 14, EDWIN SIFUNA gicunji gia 10, RIGATHI GACHAGUA gicunji gia 9 na WINO gicunji kia 2.
I've seen some people on television and the media say, well, if we, without even having the numbers, if we put all the votes of Kalonzo and Matiangi and SIFUNA, GACHAGUA together, they can easily defeat Ruto. Let me ask you this question. I know most of you are quite a bit younger than I am. If you go back to 1992 election, do you remember how many votes Moi got? Again, by having many candidates, they prevented Moi from getting 50%, even in 2007.
Uthuthuria wa TIFA no wonanitie kiama kia ODM nikio kino nyiti MBARU uria munene na gicunji kia 20, UDA 17, kiama kia DCP ikionekana kuongerera unyiti MBARU wakio na gicunji gia 16 kuma gicunji kia 6 uthuthuria-ini wa mweri wa Novemba mwaka muhituku, Jubilee kinyitirira gicunji gia 11 na Wiper gicunji gia 9.
What is noticeable is that there's been such a big increase in Kenyans who identify with Gachagua's party, DCP, up 10% from 6 to 16. That is outside of the margin error by far.
Uria President William Ruto agacagura ta munini wake ukionekana guthii na mbere kumuiga gatagati-ini ka handu homu na ihiga, munini wake Professor Kithure Kindiki nowe a Kenya ingi mangienderera githurano-ini gia 2027 na gicunji kia 59, Governor wa Homa Bay gicunji gia 12, mutongoria wa ODM Oburu Odinga na Minister wa maini na mahiga ma goro Hassan Joho makinyitanira na gicunji gia 3.
But there's really no challenger to the professor. Now this, according to your media reports, to me suggests an interesting issue for the president. How do you choose between somebody who is absolutely loyal, very competent, a great legal mind, politically adept, and somebody else who might be able to bring in more votes?
Uthuthuria uyu no wonanitie gicunji kinene kia aria manyitaga MBARU kiama kia ODM maregiritania na mwena wa Linda Mwananchi na gicunji kia 73 na no gicunji kia 24 maranyita MBARU mwena uria utongoragio ni Oburu Odinga na gicunji kia 24.
And you can see that 3/4 of them support the Linda Mwananchi Sifuna-led group, with only 1/4, 24%, supporting the Linda Ground Oburu-led group. Who are the people who support the broad-based government? They support it, but they actually 51% support the Sifuna Linda Mwananchi group. How could they do that? Is that like having a friend who's a vegetarian and then you see him eating sausages?
Gicunji kia 30 no tumaranyita MBARU thirikari ya urumwe, gicunji kia 56 gikiuga gitiramenyita MBARU, imwe cia itumi cia kwaga kumenyita MBARU ari gukorwo iraguna tu atongoria no tiraia, na oho igatuma kwage waragania mwathanire-ini thirikari-ini, icigo cia rugongo na Nyanza igitongoria hari kunyita thirikari ya urumwe MBARU. Ngiribotera Kameme TV, ritwa riakwa ni Mubi Wachege.
It's the same like